Hey guys, it's Shadow Elite Gamer here. I am with Duck Debugwa and my sister. Today we're going to be doing how many honks can we get from a car. We're going to be placing votes, and whoever gets their vote correct within 15 minutes, we'll say, wins something back at my house or something like that. We'll figure out the prize later. But let's get started. Okay.
I want to do
Alright, so this is Corley's vote.
7.
Alright, her vote is 7. What's yours, Nicole? 5! Nicole's is 5. I'll put mine as 11. There. No, not 11. 9. There. Alright, so 7, 5, and 9. Let's get started. Let me turn the camera. There. Alright, cool. One come to the right, okay? One come to the left. Wait, put the head on the table. Cars and no honks. There. Huh? What? Another car. Nicole, put the hat on the table. Yeah, I put the on the table. It is very hot in this.
Yeah.
Alright, one coming down this way. Quick, scoot over. 5, 4, 3. Yeah! That's 1! Sweet, that's 1! Nope. I think that red car drives by every time we make a video. Oh, in the meanwhile, I'm gonna get some air.
Can you see my face?
I can see your eyes.
We can't breathe. Go.
Whew.
3.
No, hold on. We're pretty far away. Okay.
Does that look good?
3, 2, 1.
Yes.
2! Sweet! Yeah! Alright, 3. Alright, Duck Debugwa is going to be behind the camera.
Hold on. I shall narrate. I shall help narrate.
Are you still going to do the honk thing? Alright.
Indeed I am.
Quick up. Just get this way. The camera. Alright.
He can't. Can he honk? A smile. We got a smile.
Yeah.
Good enough.
It's good enough for us. It's a smile.
As long as it's something happy and positive.
3, 2, 4.
Yes! 4!
4.
Oh my god. Dude. 4. That is 4. 4. We get one more. My bet is placed.
Yep.
And that will mean.
But if we go over your bet.
Well, that still means we got at least my bet. I'm
Yes.
happy with that. Even though I will lose, at least. I love this shirt.
I did 9, right? Yeah.
Yeah. She did 7. You did 9. I did 5.
Whew. Oh, at the end of the video, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Give us some prank ideas
Yes,
to do on our
please.
friends, family, stuff like that. Maybe to each other. Give us
Not
some
on me, though.
challenges, stuff like that. Post it down in the comments below so we can pick your guys' comments to do.
Yeah, I just want to say something real quick. For real though, he's only had like a YouTube for like 3 days, and he's
Yeah.
already got 7 subscribers, 30 or 40 something views. So, thank you for.
Yes, thank you guys for viewing, subscribing.
And I think I gained a subscriber from one of these.
Oh, cool. Right here.
That was tagged in the video. Honk? No, no honk, honk. No honk, honk. Okay then. No honk, honk.
Nope.
Alright then.
Alright guys, do a pose like when you honk. I bet you we'd get more like that. Okay, yeah.
Like this.
You stand up though, because I'll go like this. Yeah.
But yeah, definitely give us some good pranks to do down here at the stop sign.
Yes.
That'd be nice.
Or anywhere. Maybe we'll be in public somewhere and
Yeah, maybe a park or
'cause
something. Because
soon I am going to buy something special off of a website that will make you guys very happy with the video.
Ooh,
Alright, 3,
something.
1.
He did like the tiniest, but was like, so that doesn't count. You're on your phone! Get off your phone! You're driving. No, just stare. Just... Yes! 5! I did it.
I'd say it's been, wait, check the video time. How long has it been?
7 minutes and 12 seconds.
Whew.
We're doing good.
7 minutes, 12 seconds.
Look at my face. I squished it in.
Cool.
Again.
Alright, white truck coming to the left. Alright, here we go. Nope.
A wave. That's good.
Oh, and to check out some funny videos, check out Duck to Bugwa. It is an unnamed panda bear wearing hat.
I don't know why I keep putting my hands in front of the camera, but there you go.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Beep, boop.
There's no cars, so take breathe. Whew.
Oh, hey Damien.
Yeah.
You know what we should host?
What?
A Shadow Gaming Q&A soon.
What's that?
Like questions and answers.
Oh yeah. If we get a lot of comments in the section below, we'll do a Q&A, okay?
Exactly. What about if
A
we
Q&A
get
means you guys ask us a question and we answer it.
in a live
Yes.
kind of broadcast kind of thing?
Like a live stream, pretty much.
Yeah. And then, yeah, we can answer your questions.
You know, it'd be awesome if one of the big semi trucks came by and just laid on the horn.
Yeah, like zzz. That would have been. There's a semi truck down the road. But it has its turn signals on, so I guess that means not a honk.
And here comes the motorcycle. We don't know if they can honk or not. I'm pretty sure they can.
They have like a tiny horn.
Yeah. Alright.
It's not very intimidating or loud, but it's like beep, 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 beep. Oh, it's the same guy.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Honk, honk, honk. Nope. Not a zip zone.
Dang it!
This way.
How long has it been?
It has been 9 minutes and 40 seconds.
Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Honk, 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 honk. Thank you. 6.
That's 6.
Yes, 7.
I found my high score.
Matt Corley and Nicole score.
2 more for yours. Nope, nothing.
The mask keeps falling. There we go.
Right there, in the truck. All right, 3, 2, 1. Honk, 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 honk. He just looked me. None of these people are turning on their turn signal, so it gets me all excited like they're coming straight. 3, 2, 1. Honk, nope. I looked, but they did not honk. That's okay though.
Hi, woo!
Oh, semi truck coming.
Oh my God!
Please
Please
don't
honk!
turn.
Please honk!
Please don't turn.
I hope he doesn't. I hope he doesn't like just ignore us and not honk. All right, come on, come on. Yes. Honk, 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 honk. Yes! Oh, dude.
All right, we got 8.
That was awesome. He did that 3 times too. Thank you. Over there, you.
Shout out to the semi truck.
That's right across the street from us. Woo!
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Nope. They think we're waving. Why do people think we're waving? This is not a wave. It's a
All
fist.
right, 3, 2, 1.
That'd be fun. Honk? No.
She was like, whoop, whoop.
Whoop whoop. This doesn't mean whoop whoop. This means honk your horn on your car.
He was nice.
Yeah. I think he's going
All right,
here.
this guy might honk.
I'm pretty sure he's right here. He's turning down my street. Oh no, never mind. Yes! 9! We got it.
All right,
One
we
more.
got 9. How many minutes, Nicole? Or unnamed panda?
12 minutes and 40 seconds.
Okay, 12 minutes.
Dude!
And we've reached the 9 mark.
If we get 10, we will end this video off. 10 honks.
Or how many ever we can get at 15.
Alright.
At 15 minutes, we will end the video off. You guys count how many honks we got, okay?
Alright.
Alright, we're at 9. 5, 4, 2, 1.
Yes! All these people dancing. That's awesome.
Like me and David are rubbers and getting one.
No, we get in trouble for that one. Oh, we're still at 9. Can I win this thing?
No, Coco, we lost.
But you guys still hit your mark though.
Yeah, but we lost
How
because
many
it went
minutes?
over ours.
14?
13, almost 14.
Almost
Pretty
14.
close.
Alright.
Yes! Alright, we all lost. Yes! 11! Oh my god.
Yes. How many
These
minutes?
people. 14, 20. Alright,
14, 20?
keep trying.
Alright, let's do the outro.
Alright.
Alright.
Hold up.
And, alright. Thank you guys for watching. It's been Channel Leader here with Duck the Bugwa and Corley, my little sister. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, post pranks to do to our friends, family, post challenges and everything like that.